Hi friends, welcome. In this video I want to show you how you can make a keepsake button tree. I have some buttons here that belong to my mama, and she gave me these several years before she passed away, so they're pretty special to me. And I had been looking for a way to display these, a creative way. So I got on Pinterest and was digging around a little bit, and I found a button tree. So I want to show you what I did with mine. Of course you'll need buttons, and you can use new ones if you want to, but I wanted to use these. Excuse me. You're going to need some wire cutters. You're going to need some wire, and I'm using the 20 gauge wire, and this is from Walmart. I've had that several years, and for this one I want to use this thread spool that came from my aunt's sewing stash. So I'll show you here what I did. Now you want to cut some different lengths of wire, and this one is about 6 inches, and I'll show you here how to put the buttons and the wires together. You just get your length of wire, cut it off, and kind of straighten the ends of it. And on the buttons that has the buttons that have the 4 holes, you want to go opposite, corner to corner here. You don't want to go straight across. Go across that way, and you just put your wire through, and you want it to go through the top, through the side that you're going to be looking at. That's where you want it to go. And the ends doesn't have to be exactly even, but pretty much. And then what you're going to do is just grab that button just like that, right up next to the back where those wires come through, and you're going to hold that really tight, and then you're going to give that several good twists just like that. Okay, and that holds that button on there really snug. Okay, and then just bend it down just like that and hold it. Straighten your wires out just a little bit. Put your finger in there just like that and hold those 2 wires together and start twisting the button, and just go all the way down. I think these are just adorable. Really nice keepsakes, and when you look at them, you know, you remember your loved one. So okay, so there you go, and that's how you do it. Okay, now on the shank button here, you do it the same exact way. You just put your wire through, hold it really tight against the shank, give it several good twists, then go all the way down just like I showed you. Okay, alrighty, now let's move along here. I have some of these that I have already put together, and I'll show you how to do that too. I've got 3 branches here left that I'll show you how to do. Now I've already put these together, and you see you're going to want, some of your buttons are going to be longer and some are shorter. Of course you can adjust these however you want them. This one's a little bit shorter than this one, but I'll show you how it'll come together in a minute. It's not going to matter that much. Okay, so you choose your buttons, and then you're going to kind of look at the opposite side if that's how you want it. If you want it to be kind of uniform, if not, that's totally up to you. So we just want to get down here about like that. It's really late tonight and I'm getting tired, so you guys kind of forgive me for my fumble fingers here. Okay, you have these 2 pieces here, and you just want to make, bring one of them down a little bit lower than the top one here. Okay, the same way you twist these two together. Okay, it's really simple, nothing much to it. Then when you get to the end, that wire is pretty sharp. Just take some jewelry pliers or something and just kind of squeeze that wire down pretty good so it's not cutting your fingers. Okay, and then just kind of play with that and adjust it. And if one of them is turned to the back, just turn it around just like that. And then okay, I'll put the other one up about like that. About like that. Okay, and then you want to just leave yourself a little bit of space here and start twisting about there. And this, they're not going to all go all the way down to the bottom, and that's fine. You can adjust these later and kind of play around with it. And okay, so now that's what we have. Alright, so let's get this over here now. Okay, now I have a length of wire here, and I've already used this, and it's kind of bent up. You can probably see there it's kind of bent a little bit, but that's not going to matter because it's going to be wrapped anyway, and you'll never see that. If you want to use new, that's fine. I just wanted to use up what I had there. Okay, I'm going to take these and I'm just going to hold them the way that I want them to be for my tree. Okay, I want this one over here, I think. Yes. Okay, just like that. Okay, there we go. Okay, when you get that how you want it, just take these and bring them together about here, just like that. Okay, and then you're going to take your length of wire and you're going to start that where you want that trunk to be. Okay, and just kind of squeeze these together the best you can. Excuse me. And then you're going to start wrapping that and just cover the end of that wire so that it doesn't cut you. And then you're just going to go down and just keep wrapping your wire around there. Wrap it pretty close and just as tight as you can get it. And just keep going. And then I'm going to cut that little bit off right there at the end. I need a new pair of wire cutters. Okay. Just jewelry pliers again and just kind of squeeze that down there. Okay, so here's what you have. Okay, Now you're just going to work with this. Turn these around. Just like that. Here are some more that need turned. Okay. Let's see, let's put these up here. Okay. There we go. That's looking better. You can add more buttons on these if you want. If you want to put these in a bigger container, that would be fine. I just wanted to use the little thread spool there for mine. So there we go. Okay. And then I'm going to cut this off. Hopefully. As I said, these wire cutters are not much. So, oh, I've definitely got to get a new pair of these. Okay, and then I don't want to step on those, so I'm going to put them in my little cup over here. Okay, so there's what you have. Okay, and then you're just going to put this down in the thread spool. It just fits right down in there like that. And now you can glue that in if you want to. I do not want to. Later on I might find another use for that thread spool. And so I just don't want to glue it, and it sits fine. It's just fine. So anyway, there's how you can make a little keepsake tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And click the little bell at the top, and YouTube will notify you of new videos I post. So until next time, be blessed and happy trails.